Enjoy swimming in your own private backyard pool. This 2,078 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2-bath home has been remodeled and features a wonderful floor plan. It's open and bright with a large living room and formal dining room. The beautiful kitchen features wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. A large eating bar overlooks an oversized Florida room. Sliding doors along the rear of the house open to screened pool. Tropical, private and relaxing. All bedrooms are generous. The master bedroom has a LG walk-in closet and a private screened patio. Master bath offers dual sinks, Roman tub, a large shower, and it opens to the pool area. The property sits on 2 lots, and one has been fenced. Spacious laundry room. 2-car garage. Roof, HVAC, water heater 2016.